Ramadan has passed us by, leaving peace within our soul. Traces of our whispered praise now make broken spirits whole. Happy Eid Mubarak, forgive. On this blessed day we stand with purified hearts again, turning to a brighter path. Let new beginnings remain. Ramadan has passed. Ramadan has passed us by, leaving peace within our soul. Traces of our